Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Safepal wallet account. So firstly you have to download the Safepal app, then you have to log into your account. After that you have to click on software wallet, then you can see an add wallet option. Click on add wallet option, then you have to click on software wallet. There you can see three options. One is to create a new wallet, and another is to import by a mnemonic phrase, and the other one is to restore it with iCloud. So if you haven't saved your wallet in iCloud, this option won't be of any use to you. So you have to recover it by a mnemonic phrase that you had set it up while you opened your account. So click on mnemonic phrase. There you can see you have to write your mnemonic phrase here, and after that you have to write your wallet name. After that you have to click on import, and that's how your SafePal account will be recovered successfully. Thank you for watching this video.